Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your money wisely while keeping things fun and fabulous. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and on the right, the Loiley drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. Buckle up, because things are about to get airborne and hilarious. Let's start with the price. The RADCLO mini drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $62, while the Loiley drone is a bit bougie at $99. For that extra cash, you could buy, well, more snacks for your drone flying picnic. So if you're on a budget, RADCLO's got your back. But if you like splurging like a Kardashian, Loiley is your go-to. Now, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but RADCLO gives you a manually adjustable 90 degrees lens. It's like having a tiny, flying photographer who never asks for a lunch break. Loiley, on the other hand, lets you adjust the camera remotely up to 90 degrees. Perfect for those lazy days when you don't even want to move a finger. Both drones let you capture those Insta-worthy shots, but Loiley's remote adjustment is a game changer for the couch potatoes out there. Reviewers note that while RADCLO's camera is good for casual shots, Loiley's remote adjustment feature adds an extra layer of convenience. Ease of use is crucial because, let's face it, not all of us are born pilots. RADCLO makes it simple with a one-key takeoff landing button and stable altitude hold. Even your grandma could fly this thing, and she still thinks Wi-Fi is a fancy coffee. Loiley, though, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. One-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and even voice control. Fly, my minion. Imagine commanding your drone like a tiny, obedient robot. Reviewers say RADCLO is great for practice and family fun, while Loiley's advanced features make it versatile and exciting. Battery life. The Achilles heel of all gadgets. RADCLO gives you 22 minutes of flight time with its two 800 mAh batteries. Loiley, not to be outdone, offers 25 to 30 minutes. That's like an extra slice of pizza. Always welcome. So if you want to keep the party going longer, Loiley takes the crown. But hey, RADCLO's still got enough juice to impress your friends before it needs a nap. Reviewers appreciate RADCLO's dual battery system, but highlight Loiley's extended flight time as a significant advantage. Size matters, folks. RADCLO is larger and comes with a convenient carrying case for outdoor travel. It's like bringing your tiny helicopter in a stylish handbag. Loiley, though, is the ultimate travel buddy. It's so compact and lightweight, you can fold it up and fit it in your pocket. No FAA registration needed. Just pop it in your backpack and go. For the jet setters and adventurers, Loiley is your drone's soulmate. Reviewers love RADCLO's durability and travel case, but praise Loiley's portability and ease of storage. Overall, reviewers find RADCLO mini drone to be a fun and durable option, especially for families and those on a budget. However, it has some control issues and may not be the best for beginners. On the other hand, Loiley drone is praised for its advanced features, ease of use, and portability, making it a great choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use drone with solid features, RADCLO is your guy. But if you want all the bells and whistles, longer battery life, and ultimate portability, Loiley is the way to go. Either way, you can't go wrong. Just remember to have fun and maybe not crash into your neighbor's yard. Okay? Thanks for tuning in, Buy Smart family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic comparison. Drop a comment below on which drone you're leaning towards and why. Until next time, happy flying and stay smart. Product links are in the description.